So we were Elastic Digital, B2B marketing agency, and now we are Elastic Grid, a B2B marketing platform. So sort of underlying things haven't changed. It's how we approach our work and how we do with clients that's changed. So let's talk about how Agile values have helped transition our company from a platform in less than a year, and I think that's sort of an important point. This hasn't taken, it's taken a lot of effort and a lot of work and a lot of hard work, but it hasn't taken a lot of time. Through Gen customers, through their partner reseller community. So we just had to, that's why the company started out in the first place. It wasn't to be a design agency that just did stuff. This was the gap in the market that caused the company to sort of start. So when you sort of refocus away from clients' wants and you focus on the partner as the center of the universe, instead of duplicating the same stuff all the time, we can use the user-centric design model and just focus on the user. So architecturally, we shifted gears. There was a fallacy where vendor Ford thinks that their sales branches only sell Ford cars or something, right? They believe that had exclusivity over a partner. The reality was, by talking to partners, we knew that wasn't the case. So we could take that knowledge and bring it back to the vendors and say, you know what, they deal with all these other guys as well. So we're going to make a tool that makes it easy for them to access all this content for their marketing activity. It's going to help you and it's going to help them. And getting away from that stress of, no, it's my partner, because it isn't. So we changed our architectural model to be one where vendors supply content into our product that then partners can access and leverage all. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. So the other thing we changed, as I was talking about our vertical teams, we created cross-functional teams who have all the applicable skills to what they need to get jobs done. So we have a platform product team that does all the iteration stuff, the Scrum stuff, and we have a campaign creation team which has a slightly different process but still is now cross-functional. They have all the tools they need to produce campaigns rapidly for clients and get the campaigns onto our platform rapidly. And there's a lot more of this going around the office nowadays, which is never used to happen. It was siloed and just trying to handle stuff. That wasn't staged, which is my kind of thing, right? I just took a photo of them doing that, so it's not one of those things where we gather them, let's pretend we're collaborating and then go back. It was actually, this was just happening when we took a photo. Improved our culture, we saw people collaborating, but also people know how they fit into the greater team, what their role is, and what they're trying to achieve every day. We've clarified our market position, as I mentioned. We know what we're selling and we know how to sell it now. And we've increased revenue, and that's not just for us, that's a thing that we're actually part of our marketing, is to say, look, these are the partners out there that's using our product, that are getting results, selling your product. So it's where we've got a lot of sort of case studies around that as well. So it's not just we've increased our revenue, it's actually our product is working. The three things I'll leave with you guys to take from this, if any, is definitely know your core value offering, or know what you're offering partners. If it's a big list of stuff, then maybe try and find out what's beneath all that. Be aware of your company culture. I think the siloed teams, all that stuff can be a little bit, I know one's complaining, so we'll just keep doing it. I think that's something that can sometimes be very hard to get out of. And leverage your problem solvers. So if you've hired a bunch of designers and developers, they're usually people that are problem solvers, and if they get told just to implement stuff, make this happen this way, it can sometimes not get the best results, and it's not good. Again, they're all sort of interlinked, and that's not good for culture because they don't like what they're doing, or they don't believe in it, or nothing. Over you guys.